Hey guys, my name is Jonathan Reich. I'm a licensed CPA in the state of Louisiana, and I want to welcome everyone to the Digital Merchant. The Digital Merchant is a channel where we trade effort for efficiency, talk about things like online marketing, how to run your business, and basically, in my opinion, running a business is already hard enough, so you should stand on the shoulder of giants and pick up the lesson and knowledge learned from others here on the channel. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into today's video, which as a CPA, I feel like I'm a very candidate to talk about. Today's topic is what are the best bill pay platforms for Xeros? So for those of you who don't know, Xero is an accounting software akin to QuickBooks Online. It's actually probably the second largest accounting platform for most small businesses in the US and globally. It's a very, very good platform. And honestly, it can do everything that QuickBooks can, but it's kind of more tailored for that international audience. It's not quite as popular in the US, but it is gaining in popularity. They are trying to gain market share. And so we want to talk about the bill pay functions in there because running a business, you have to pay for your rent, your utilities, your inventory, anything that comes in through the door. You're going to get a bill and you need to pay it within a couple weeks, net 30. It gets to be a stack of paperwork on your desk. And so you need a platform that can really help manage that. And so I have some on the screen today. Most of them you probably already heard of. I want to talk about the ins and outs of them. The first one is Melio. Melio is a really good platform if you value simplicity and you value the ability to basically fund your bills using different methods. So what I mean by that is Melio is one of the only platforms that I've seen that you can fund with a credit card. And what I mean by that is, most vendors will take a credit card, but I've run into the instance of where like rent, for instance, or utilities, they want a direct bank ACH. Well, if you don't have the funds, that can be really frustrating because Melio will allow you to basically pay with a credit card on your side, and then the vendor, the landlord, will then receive the payment and they'll be none the wiser that you use your credit card to pay for it. Now, as a CPA, I don't advise putting your bills on a credit card unless, of course, you're like in a cash flow state where it's just a crunch. Maybe you've got a really big project finishing up next week, you're gonna get paid. If you just need to float a couple things for a few days, sure, don't pay the interest on the credit card. So Melio is one of the only platforms that do that, but they also allow like batch payments, they allow international wires, they allow ACHs, you can even have checks mailed out. Now some of that do come with a cost, so let's go ahead and talk about pricing, because honestly for the value that you get, it's really not super expensive. So you can take it for a test drive, it's free, pretty neat. As a pension cheapskate, I love to see free stuff. So to see that something is actually free is always refreshing. Now you're gonna get the watered down version, of course. You're not gonna get the QBO sync or the Xero sync, but you can try it out and you see if you like the platform. And then it's $25, $55, or $80 a month. It's not super expensive. So with that, if you are like an enterprise solutions or you need enterprise solutions, you can get the premium, sit down on a sales call and see everything that they have to offer. But for the majority of businesses, 20 ACHs, that'll get you pretty far. But for the vast majority of businesses, 50 will get you where you need to be. Most importantly, you need these two. I don't ever recommend running a bill pay platform in a vacuum. You always need to connect to your accounting software. So with that, you also get things like W-9 collection, you upload the bill and you don't have to manually key everything. You use OCR and AI to read the bill, as you can see here. It provides a lot of value. And then you can also see, like, this is the home screen. It's super easy. Okay, I need to pay a bill, click on pay, drag and drop the PDF. You can see I've got some test ones in here. You just drag and drop the PDF. It's gonna pick up that bill and away it goes. Like, it is quite literally that easy. It'll save a copy of the bill. You just tell where you want it to pay from, how you want it paid. That's it. Or if you need to do like multiple bills at one time, you can do like a CSV import. You could drop a ton of bills in here. You can also do your AR with Melio. So Xero and Melio play really well together, and here's why. Let me tell you what I'm about to tell you. I'm going to close out of this. Xero actually has bought Melio. So everything, and that's why I have Xero open today, even though we're talking about the bill pay platforms, the actual accounting software, Xero, bought Melio, and now has it integrated directly into their platform. They must both be very good platforms if they've integrated and bought and it's been purchased. So everything that I just talked about inside of Melio is basically native to Xero at this point. So you can go into the bill pay module within Xero. The screens might look a little different. They're going to have the color patterns that the Xero software uses, but it's pretty much that easy. So if you're already using a Xero, Melio is an option within it. It's just running under the hood basically. So I did want to include Xero just so that you guys can see what it costs, because anytime I can push someone away from QBO, QuickBooks Online, I try to, because I think Intuit is really expensive. I think people use QuickBooks because they're just comfortable with it. You can see Xero is not prohibitively expensive, $90 a month when you compare it to QuickBooks' most expensive platform, which is $275 and will very soon be $320. I got an email that prices are going up. $90 a month is like a third to a fourth of the price of QuickBooks. So, and it comes with that robust bill pay feature of Melio running under the hood. Overall, if you're already using Xero, if you want to plug and play, like if you need a more decisive bill pay solution, maybe check out Melio, but I don't think it's necessary because it's literally within the system. So the next one I want to talk about is Bill.com. You can't really discuss bill pay platforms unless, of course, you bring up Bill.com. That's like trying to discuss accounting platforms without bringing up QuickBooks. Like, they are the 600-pound gorilla in the room. You have to mention. Bill does everything. It does everything really. Pricing is a little bit on the high side. I mean, there are some clients that I've worked with that Bill.com can end up being $1,000 a month. But you got to remember, these people were sending out bills associated with different offices and different locations. They were sending out over $3,000 or $4,000 AP payments a month. I mean, it was just a nightmare to keep up with. And so Bill really owned its stripes there, but they're going to charge you for it. So what I like about Bill is it has some extremely robust approval options. So like if you have an AP clerk, and then you have a controller, and then you have a director of finance, and then you have a CFO, it can work through that chain of command. CFO just reviews everything above $1 million, controller reviews everything, director of finance reviews everything over $500,000. That's Bill.com. It has really robust approval workflows. Payment network is huge. You're not going to find anybody who's probably not on Bill.com, any major company, major vendor. They might already have a Bill.com platform, so that's a plus. And then Bill.com also allows like purchase orders and multi-entity support. It can get pretty niche pretty quick if you need it to. So it's just a very well-rounded and thought-out platform. But in my opinion, there are some drawbacks. So for instance, like the pricing here, let me float back to that page. The pricing, if you wanted to connect to your accounting software, right here, this automatic two-way sync, like I said, I don't ever recommend running your AP platform within a vacuum. You need that two-way sync. I don't like that they put this under the $65 a month plan, because now you're gonna have to either manually upload CSVs, there's the options for mistakes. The computers should just talk to each other, but I'm not necessarily happy that you have to pay $65 a month per person for them to do that, especially with a two-way sync to Xero. It just doesn't really seem fair. It doesn't seem right to me, so I don't like that. And then really, Bill, that robustness can also be its downfall. It's a little bit more than a lot of businesses need. You can see the platform's a little bit more crowded. It takes a little bit longer to learn. Compared to the launch screen of Melio itself, Bill might be a little too much, especially if you're just a bookkeeper looking to pay a handful of bills at any given time. So Bill's a really good platform. Actually, you know what, honestly, all the platforms we're going to talk about today are really good platforms. So another platform that I want to talk about is Ramp. Ramp is actually newer in the space. I think they were founded in about 2020, 2019. And I have some folks, some users that I do accounting for, they use Ramp. And it's a robust platform. I don't have any qualms with it, but I would say Ramp's core feature, in my opinion, is the expense management side of things. So, you know, you have the AP, you have the bill pay platform side, but Ramp is different in my opinion because it really focuses on the expense management. And the difference in that is basically, if you've got 15 guys that have a credit card or a debit card or a company linked account, you give them a Ramp card. And so they can buy fuel for the company trucks. They can buy miscellaneous supplies. They can run over to Home Depot or Lowe's and pick up equipment. It's good for over-the-road truck drivers who are buying fuel and you require reimbursement because you need to see each and every receipt and how many gallons and what they're paying for that. Ramp does a good job with that. It's really AI centric. It's technology centric. It tries to generate a ton of those things. And honestly, that's where it excels. It does have a bill pay platform featured on it, but I've never really I don't have anything to write home about on it. I've never attempted to use it. I've only ever used it for the expense management side, and I've been pushed to use their bill pay platform. Their customer service team has reached out to me and said, hey, are you interested in it? And for me, the accounting system within Xero is strong enough to just say, I don't think I really want to open up that can of worms. Because for instance, like we have purchase orders with some of the customers that I do accounting for. If the purchase orders don't match within the system, we can't pay the invoice. Well, how does Ramp manage that? And I couldn't get a straight answer. So, like I said, it excels on the expense management side, but the bill pay options, maybe take a second look at some of the other ones we've talked about today. Some of the other things that I do like about Ramp though is, once again, it has those supporting roles, it has the permissions, separations of duties. We see all that. Like, you can set up reports that says if someone spends more than $1,000, I have to approve it. Send me an email. Somebody has to call me. Or I can do things like I can be sitting at my desk and give someone access to more money and it's available instantly. They also can do same-day wires, domestic ACH. It's a lot of the things that you would expect a bill pay platform to be able to do. Ramp can do. Now, Ramp is only available in the US right now. Foreign entities are kind of out. So if you're watching this from Canada, Mexico, the EU, unfortunately, you're going to have to wait because Ramp is not quite there yet. Any advanced integrations, like on the expense management side, or AI coding, which is basically having that AI try and categorize those expense transactions for you, you're going to have to pay for that more expensive platform. And let's talk about what Ramp costs real quick, and then we'll wrap it up, because I always like to showcase how much the things I'm talking about are going to cost. So free, a lot of these are free. Most of the folks I work with end up here at $15 a month if they're using Ramp. So you get all kinds of things with it, but $15 a month per user, per card user. You know, if you've got 10 users, that's $150 a month. Not expensive, not cheap. So overall, guys, I really hope that this video helps shed some light on that. There are no shortage of options. There are many, many other options other than the ones that I've mentioned today, but these are the big players in the space that I think do a really good job of integrating with Xero. So thank you for watching The Digital Merchant. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.